Welcome everybody. Today's session is on 5 variable K-map. So today we are going to see 5 variable K-map. Now you can represent a 5 variable K-map using two methods. One is the reflection one and the other one is the overlap one. So we'll try to solve one or two problems on K-map using any of these. Reflection method is what we are going to follow. Now in this K-map, let me take this, I'll take an expression in sum of products, summation m of 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 27, 30 plus don't care of 1, 17, 25, 26 and 31. This is what is the expression I have taken. We are going to solve this expression. Now to solve this using 5 variable K-map, if you take a 5 variable K-map, let us see what is common in the 5 variable K-map. Now in this 5 variable K-map, this V can be taken as common. V is equal to 0, V is equal to 1. Now if you leave this V, remaining what are the variables? W, X, Y and Z, which is similar to a 4 variable K-map. So let us see how to represent this 5 variable K-map. Now I'll take a 5 variable K-map. So to represent a 5 variable K-map, I told you, first variable is constant. So this will represent V is equal to 0. Again, I have to write one more K-map, 4 variable K-map, because the first variable I have taken it to be constant. Now this will be equal to V is equal to 1. Now what were the remaining parameters I had in the K-map? W, X and Y and Z. I had W, X, Y and Z. And how will I represent the K-map? We know this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Again here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Same thing here, it is reflected. So this will be WX, this will be YZ, and this will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now if you write this K-map, if I write what are the variables in this K-map, this represents minterm 0, minterm 1, minterm 2, minterm 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now continue, because it is a 5 variable K-map, 2 to the power of 5 will be equal to 32. That means we will have 0 to 31 combinations. Okay. So now I have completed 16 combinations in the first one. I have 16 combinations over here. I have to continue. So 15, this represents minterm 16, 17, 18, 19. This represents minterm 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, minterm 26, sorry, this is 26 and this will be 27, 28, minterm 29, minterm 30 and this will be 31. So this is a 5 variable K-map. We can see that we have all the 32 combinations here. Now in this K-map, we have to solve the problems using this K-map. So let us solve the problems. note down the K-map so that we can solve the problems. This is the representation of a 5-variable K-map. Now let us solve the problem. Whatever question I gave, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here I'll be having WX. Here I'll be having YZ. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, similar one I have over here. Same K-map reflected. The first one is for V is equal to 0. The next one is for V is equal to 1. Now what are the variables we had? We had 4. This cell represents 0. The first one is 0, 1, 2, 3. So I have a 4. 4 means this one. Next I have a 5. Next 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8. Next one is 9. Next I have 10 is not there, 11 is there. Next I have 12, 13 is not there, I have 14, also I have 15. Next is 27, 15 is over, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I have a 27. Next 28, 29, 30. I have a 30. This is the min terms. Now what are the don't cares we have? Don't care of 1. 0, I have a don't care of 1. Then I have 17. So I have 15 over here, 16. So my 17 will be over here. Then I have 25. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'll have 25 over here. I have 26 over here. And I have 31. 31 will be over here. This is the don't care representation we have done. Now we have to solve it. How will we solve it? Now to solve this this one, check whether what is common in both the K-maps. You have two K-maps, V is equal to 0 and V is equal to 1. What is common in both the K-maps? It is always good to take what is common in both the K-maps. So I can see this part and this part is common in both the K-maps. Let me leave it. One combination. Then what is the next combination I have? So next combination, let me take the next combination. Now next combination, if you see this D, this one and this one will form a quad. But I don't want to go for the quad. I have to go for that quad. I don't want, because when we simplify, that will become a prime implicant. So let us check for essential prime implicants. Let me check for essential prime implicants. So if I see this is one. These two will form one quad. This and this and this overlap method, it will form a quad because it is one below the other. What else I have? I'll be having two pairs. So let me write down those two pairs. So this one, I don't have anything over here. And this one, I don't have anything over here. That's all. 4 I've got. Now when we simplify, let me simplify the first one. This blue one was the first one. So how do I simplify? See, this blue is there in this K-map as well as in this K-map. So what happens? V is equal to 0, V is equal to 0 will get cancelled since it's there in both the K-maps. Now what is left out only you have to write. This blue 1 and 1, 1 and 1, both the K-maps are same. So it represents 1, 1, which means WX. And what happens here? 0 and 1 will get cancelled, so Y will remain. So it is WXY. Then let us take these K-map, which is common. So since it is common in both, what happens? V is equal to 0, V is equal to 1 will get cancelled. Now what is left out for this? We have to write what is left out. So this will become wx, which means that it is wx bar. We will not have v because it has got cancelled. Wx bar. So here it is 0 and 1 will get cancelled. Only 1 will be retained. So it is z. Now come to the third one. So in this one let me take. This is in which one? This is there in v is equal to 0. So v is equal to 0 means v bar. Then what happens? These two pair, right? So 0 and 1 will get cancelled. What is left out? X will be left out. V bar x. Then what is this? It is related to 0 and 0. So y bar and z bar. This is over. Then let me take this. What is this equal to? This is again there in v is equal to 0. If it is there in v is equal to 0, I will write v bar. Suppose if this pair was over here, we would have written it as v instead of writing v bar. Since it is in this quadrant, in the first half of the quadrant, we will write it as v bar because this represents v is equal to 0. Then what do I have? W and x. So it is w bar x 0 1, right? So again this is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 will get cancelled. 0 is left out. So it is y bar. So now what is the simplified expression we are getting? The simplified expression, let me write it down. What did I get? So let me put a text box over here and let me write down what did I get. What is the first one we got? Let me write what we got for blue. So we got for blue f, the question was f is equal to. So it is, you can either write f is equal to or you can write f of v w x y z, v comma w comma x comma y comma z solution is equal to, what is the first one I got? W, x and y, the blue one which we solved. So this one, W, x and y we got first. So f is equal to, in both the ways you can write W, x and y. What is the second one we got? These are all the essential prime implicants, okay? The second one what we got was for the red one. It is W, x bar, z. What did we get for the third one? The third one is nothing but green one. V bar, x, y bar, z bar. What is the fourth one we got? Fourth one we got again, it is V bar, W bar, x, y bar. So this is a solution for the 5 variable K-map which we have solved. We will take another example. So the next example what we are going to consider is f of a, b, c, d and e. It is a 5 variable K-map. So this 5 variable K-map I have taken an example of 8 min-term summation m of 8, 12, 13, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 25, 28, 31 plus don't care summation m of 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 11. This is the example which I am taking. Hope it is not the same example. So this is the example which we are going to take and we are going to solve it. Okay, copy down the question. So now let us draw the K-map. This represents A is equal to 0 and the second one represents A is equal to 1. So what did I have in the K-map? It is 8. So let me write this. This is B, C, and this is D, E. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You should also complete this part which I've left vacant. You should do it. Okay. I've left it vacant. So it is summation 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is not there. Next is 18, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 is not there. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 I have, 25 I have, 26 is not there, 27 is not there, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 I have. Next go to don't care, 0, 1. So don't care of 1, I can write X also I told. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many elements I had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minterms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minterms are there. And 6 don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 don't care there. Now let us simplify. What did I tell you to simplify? First we'll see what is common in both. Can we take anything which is common in both? Now my solutions may not match with whatever common or whatever you're taking. Okay, so I am taking this quad over here. This is my first one what I've taken. Then the second one what I want to take is this quad over here. So the second one is this quad because it is going with the don't care. Then the third one what I want to take is, see I have this and this can be paired. So I've taken this. Then this cannot be paired anything over here. This also cannot be paired over here. So whatever is left out can be a individual pair. Single minterm. So this will be one single. This will be one single. So this will also be one single. This will also be one single. Overlap method, one above the other you keep. It is like keeping one above the other and grouping which is same. So this is what I've got. Okay. So now let us simplify. You can simplify. Your solutions may be different. Again, I've told mine is a different. Mine can be a different solution. This is the first one which I want to simplify. So this is common in both. So I have A is equal to 0 over here. A is equal to 1. Both will get cancelled. So 1 and 1, 1 and 1. What do I have over here? A is 0 and A is 1. We don't have A. Now 1 and 0 will get cancelled. For this 1, it represents B. And here on the top, it represents D bar, E bar. This is over. Then this blue one, it's common in both. Again, A is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 will get cancelled. Okay. So what is left out will be, what will be left out is A will get cancelled. So I'll have B bar, C bar. This 0 and 1 will get cancelled. 1 and 1 is nothing but D. B bar, C bar and D. Then I told we'll group this one. So this and this you can consider this green one. So this green one again A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1 will get cancelled. So what is left out is for green one, for this green one, it is B bar C. So I have B bar C and B bar C, and this is the term, so it is D E bar. B bar C and D E bar. Now what is left out? These single pairs you have to write for these single variables, min terms, you have to write the solution for this. This will be equal to, since it is in A matrix, it will be A bar because A is 0 and it is here. So it is B, C, because this represents 1 and 1 over here, and the top it represents D bar E. Similarly, for this matrix, you can write this one. So this is an A matrix, so it will be A, and here it is 1 and 1, so it will be B, C, and here it is again 1 and 1 over here, so it will be D, E. Again, where do I have? I have this one. So I should write for this one. So what will this be equal to? Again, this will be equal to A because it is an A matrix. And I have, so this is 1, 0 over here because it's 1, 0. So 1, 0, it will be A, B, C bar and A. So this will be equal to A, B, C bar, and what I have on the top it will be D, E. So it is D bar E. And what is left out? Similarly, for this one also you can write. So for this one, if I write, what will be the value? This one again, it is an A matrix, so it is A. So I have in this column, so it is so B, it is 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, it is nothing but B bar C, and on top it will be 0, 1. 0, 1, it will be 0 is D bar and E. Like this, you can solve the K-map, simplified version of, this is a 5 variable K-map. So I've given another example, you can solve it. Now we can see that in this group whichever I've considered, 1 and 0 can be paired. So if you pair 1 and 0, instead of being a single literal, it will be a pair. In that case, E will get cancelled. So the solution will be A bar, B, C and D bar. The next example we are going to see is simplification of a 5 variable K-map. Now to simplify the 5 variable K-map, the example what I've taken is, what we will be doing is in POS form. We have already done using SOP form. POS form 5 variable K-map. Okay, so it is f of u v comma w comma x comma y comma z. This is a 5 variable which I've taken. Now in this, which is, it is summation m of, so summation m of, I'll take m4, m5, m9, m11, m12, m14, m15, m27, m27, m30, m1, m17, m30, m1, m17, m25, m26 and m31. This is the question which is given in terms of min term format. If the question is given in min term format, what you have to do, you have to convert it into max term format, or else you can plot the K-map for min term and solve it using max term. Now I will give another question which is there in max term format, because I want the question to be in max term format, or else you can plot the same question in min term and solve for zeros in K-map. Or else if I take a max term, so that will be pi m of, so I've written pi m of 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20. So let me take this as max term formats, plus I'll give some don't care of max terms, don't care expressions of 21, 22, 23, 24, 28 and 29. Both the questions are same, okay? Just I've converted it. So this question is in max term format, this will be in min term format. Now we have to plot the K-map for this. Now the solution we have to solve using, simplify using max term format. So the question will be simplify and obtain the solution or the simplified expression in POS form. Simplify and obtain the POS expression. Simplified expression may be the question. This is what we are going to do. Now we will continue. You would have noted down the question. So let me start writing the question. Now I have to write a 5 variable K-map. What we are going to solve is a 5 variable K-map. So now when I take a 5 variable K-map, I have to have a 2 4 variables. So this is the first 4 variable K-map which I am having, and I'll have another 4 variable K-map. This is what we have to have according to our question. Okay. Now this first represents V is equal to 0. The second represents V is equal to 1. Now here you will be having on the x-axis, you will be having, on this axis you will be having, this will be W and X. And here it will be Y and Z. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This should have been this is 1 1, this is 1 0. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. Now we have to plot the K-map for the pause expression. So now according to the pause expression, this will be a 0 over here because I have M0, M1 is not there, M2 is there, M3 is there. Then I have M6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7 is there. Then I have a 8. 8 is there. Then I have a 10. Then I have 11, 12. I think I have a 13. So 13 is over here. Then I don't have a 14 and I don't have a 15. Next, what do I have? I have a 16, 18, 19, 20. These are all don't cares. 16 is a don't care. 18 is a don't care. 19 is a don't care. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 is also there. Then I have 20. 20 is over there. Okay. I don't have a 17. So 15 is there. 16. I don't have a 17 in my expression. So this is not there. I think I'll not be having a 17 in my expression. So 17 is not there. So 13, after 13 it is 16. This will be my 16. So this will be my 16. I don't have a 17. I have a 18 and this is my 19. This will be my 20. This will be my 21. I have a 22 over here. 22 is also don't care. I'm having a 22 over here. Then what else I have? I have a 23 also. 22 is also there, 23 is also there. So I have both 22 as well as 23. So 22, 23 both is there. Then I have 24. So 24 will be over here. So I have a 24. I don't have a 25. I don't have a 26. I don't have a 27. I have a 28. Again, I have a 29. I don't have a 30. I don't have a 31. So that's all. So this is the K-map. Now we have to solve this K-map. Now when we are solving this K-map, what did I tell you? First, we have to check for quads which is present in both, or octets which is present in both. So now first I can see this is one quad I have, and this is one quad I have which is present in both. Now if I simplify this, what will happen? V is equal to 0 and V is equal to 1 will get cancelled. So when I simplify this, 0 and 1 will get cancelled. What will be left out? 0, 0 will be left out. 0 represents W in POS format. 0 will represent W bar in SOP format. Now I'm writing in terms of max term. 0 W plus, because I'm solving in max term, there will be a plus. So I have a plus. Then what happens? I should take this one. So 1 and 0 will be getting cancelled. 1 will be remaining. So what does 1 represent? 1 will represent Y bar, because I'm solving it in POS format. So 1 will represent a Y bar in POS format. 1 is representing a Y bar. So I got a Y bar. This is over. Then what else do I have next? I have a, you have to see what you have next. Will you get any other quad? Now if I see, I will get one quad, this one, this one, this one, this one, quad over here. I'm only trying to cover the ones using the don't cares. So, but if I see this location is vacant, so I cannot get a quad octet over here. So what will be left out is only the 0, the 0, the 0 and this 0. I cannot combine with anything. Either I can combine, okay, see one, another thing is, if you can see this, this 0 can also be combined with this don't care and don't care. That is your choice. But it is always ideal to combine the zeros. So I have combined the zeros over here. I have got a quad over here. Then for this, what will be the expression? For this, if I write the expression, it will be V is equal to 0, because it is only lying in the first half of the K-map, first K-map. So it will be V plus, because it is V is equal to 0 plus this and this. So 0 and 1 will get cancelled. 0 and 1 W is getting cancelled. What is remaining is X. So the value of X is 0. So it will be X. V plus X plus, what happens? Again, I have to check this and this. So again, 0 and 1 will be getting cancelled. That means Y is getting cancelled. So what is left out is Z. The value of Z is nothing but 0 according to the K-map. So V plus X plus Z. Done. Now what else should we should simplify? We have to simplify the remaining zeros. So I have only one 0 left out, which is nothing but this one. So this 0 is left out. But I can also combine this 0 with this to form a pair. Okay, I cannot form a quad because I don't have any values over here. I can form a pair. So what will be the value of this 0? Again, it is V is equal, okay, V is equal to 0 is there in this K-map. V is also there. This 0 and this D I am taking. So V0, V1 both will get cancelled because I am considering both the K-maps. Okay, then what is left out? W and X will be left out. So what will be the new value? So the new value will be W bar plus X bar, because it is 1 and 1. Then plus this and this one, it is lying with these two. So what is the value over here? 0 and 0. W bar plus X bar plus Y bar, sorry, plus Y. It is not Y bar because what is our thing? So according to us, when this is 0 and 1, right? So when I have a 0 and 1, what will happen? This is 0 and 0. According to me, this value is 0 and 0. So when it is 0 and 0, in our K map, for pos it will represent 0 and 0 will be taken as in pos it will be taken as 0 and 0 will be taken as y plus z. So I will not have a y bar, so I'll be having only y plus z. So here it will be y plus z. This bar will not be there. Okay. So my expression will be having y plus z. Now what will be the simplified expression? So simplified expression will be equal to w plus y bar, y plus x plus z plus w plus x bar plus y plus z bar. So let us write the simplified expression. So if I write the simplified expression for this 5 variable K map using pos. So the expression was, the question was f of v comma w comma x comma y comma z. It is always good practice to write it like this. So this is equal to, what is the expression? The first expression will be v plus x plus z. The second expression will be, this is pos, right? Product of sums. So the second expression will be w plus y bar. So w plus y bar. And what will be the third expression? Plus it is w bar plus x bar plus y plus z. This will be the simplified expression for the question what was given to us, what we had taken. So f of v comma w comma x comma y plus z will be equal to v plus x plus z into w plus y bar, which we have got over here, into w bar plus x bar plus y plus z. Now in the same question, okay, in the same question, if they give you the max term question and they tell you to obtain the expression in min term format. So if they tell you to obtain the expression in min term format, what will you do? Is you have to write ones over here. So 1, 1, 1, all those ones you have to write. Because whatever is given in max term, I've written zeros. Remaining things in the truth table, in the K map, to be filled by ones. Now I can fill it with ones. I've already filled it with ones. The question was given in max term format. So I've written according to the question, I filled the zeros. Then what did we do? If they ask us to solve and give the expression in max term format, I have to solve for zeros. If they ask us to solve and give the expression in min term format, but the question is in max term format, pi, it is in terms of pi, but I want the answer in summation. That means then I have to write ones. Remaining K map, I have to fill it with ones. Then I have to solve this ones. So solving this ones is easy, right? So now we'll solve this ones. So how will you solve the ones? You know how to solve the ones. So this will be one quad over here. Nothing else. This will be one quad. Again, what you can do, this will be one quad over here. If you can see, I'll get one more quad over here. And this also, see, in both it is there. So this group, both this two will get combined. So I can form an octet. Then what I can do, this is one quad. I can, sorry, this 0 you cannot use it. So I can form a pair over here. And this D's I can utilize over here. So it will form a quad. And this one, okay, this again, this and this I can, okay, I can pair this over here. I can use this as a quad. Like that you can simplify. Try to simplify it. It will get simplified. So this is what we had to do. We had to discuss regarding 5 variable K map.